After his disgraceful resignation from the post of Education Minister following the student protest, Dharmendra Pradhan actually received a warm welcome from BJP MPs in the parliament and solidarity. Let's look at his actual track record after he assumed the education portfolio in 2021 till his resignation in 2026. It started with NCERT's teacher training manual on inclusion of transgender children in school education. It had concepts like sex as a biological construct and gender as a social one. RSS supporters denounced this as woke agenda, and NCERT had to pull its document down from its website despite Madras High Court's rebuke, followed by questionable rationalization of its textbook, which dropped chapters on Mughal Empire, the Delhi Sultanate, 2002 Gujarat riots, Mahatma Gandhi's assassination, among others. In 2026 itself, the Prime Minister interfered with its publication by instructing it to drop the chapter on judicial corruption. Even chapters on evolution and the periodic table have been dropped from its textbooks. Next is the UGC Equity Regulation of 2026, which emerged from the judicial scrutiny on ongoing caste-based violences in higher education institutions. Based on the Rohit Vemula case of 2016, where Rohit Vemula, a PhD student from University of Hyderabad, was barred from his institution following clashes with ABVP, which led to his suicide after pressure from the university and political leaders and some union ministers. As it only gave legal rights to SC, ST and OBC students, BJP sympathizers argued that by excluding general students from its purview, it is violating Article 14. As per the regulation, institutional compliance was directly related to funding, accreditation and sanctions to the university. Now the Supreme Court has stayed its implementation. Next are the NEET irregularities. 2024 NEET was marred by the likes of paper leaks, inflated scores and questionable grace marks. And a few days ago, CBI gave a clean chit and bail to its mastermind Sanjeev Mukhia. Then the 2026 NEET and its aftermath are a common knowledge now. NET UGC disruptions are a common occurrence in the past few years. The 2024 exam cancellation the day after it was conducted and the 2026 paper leak are some examples. And the CBI probe of all this is plagued by obvious irregularities. The 2026 scandal of class 12 board examinations on-screen marking is another mishap. We have made a full-length video on it. Click on it if you like. Next, let us look at the state of exams in some BJP-run states. Gujarat Subordinate Service Board leaks of 2021, Rajasthan Teachers Entrance Exam of 2021, Uttarakhand Subordinate Service Exam of 2022, and Uttar Pradesh Constable Selection Exam of 2024 are some examples of paper leaks. While the children of BJP leaders study in universities in US, UK and abroad and get to attend diplomatic summits like the Davos as wildcards, our books, our curriculums and our minds are being shaped by the RSS and its extremist agenda. Is it not about time to break away from this progression to servitude and emerge as free-thinking intellectuals, carry on the legacies of Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi and Subhash Bose? Jai Hind.